have a little task for myself today. Boom. I got a swing for Lily. So I'm going to put it up and hopefully she will enjoy it. I just got this from Target. Actually just got back from there. So yeah, let's put the swing up. Now this does not fit there. So I'm gonna have to take those little carabiner things, put them on here, and then put it up on there, and hopefully it'll be ready to go. I got the swing up. Hopefully that's safe. I think it'll be fine. And then just gotta find a place to put this. Not oh baby sure boo woke from a nap. Hey little girl.
Now it's her first time being on a swing.
Well, it's our first time being on a swing at home.
Yeah.
What do you think, Lily? What do you think? Do you like it? Do you like it so much? Whee!
I already watched church.
Whoa!
Well, I did it.
Wow. Whoa! 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 Today is a friend of ours' birthday. When I went to Target and got the swing, I also picked up this kind of fancy poster board. I have zero crafting skills and my handwriting sucks. So I'm actually using this thing to try to make straight lines. What is on this? Kids, I tell you. Anyway, so yeah, hopefully it kind of comes out okay. I really hope it doesn't look like poop.
This is the happy birthday sign for our friend for church.
Yeah.
Her birthday.
Happy birthday. And then Sophie did a great job on that balloon right there.
Mom did 2 of those right there.
Yeah, I did that one and that one. Yeah, not very creative, but I think it turned out pretty good. What do you think, Sophie? Happy birthday! Yay!
I'm over here making funny faces.
Yeah. It's a happy birthday! Yay! Alright, so we're back home. It's time for some dinner. I'm going to marinate some chicken, and I found this recipe online that sounds really good. They claim to be the best, so hopefully they will be. Some of the stuff we didn't have exactly what it is that you needed, so just improvised. Hopefully it turns out good. But you need some brown sugar, it calls for kosher salt. We're just going to use regular sea salt, pepper, black pepper. You need balsamic vinegar. I have balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Hopefully the taste isn't too crazy. I don't use this stuff, so yeah, I'm hoping it's not gross. And then you need virgin olive oil, and we just have canola, so hopefully the taste won't be too off with that. And then it says you need some thyme and some rosemary, both of them dried, so we have those. So I just found this on here. Hopefully, let's see, it shows all the directions, or not the directions, but the ingredients. And yeah, hopefully this turns out good. So it says I'm supposed to whisk together the balsamic vinegar, olive oil, brown sugar, garlic, and dried herbs. Oh, garlic was the other thing you need, and I have this thing. I hate messing with garlic and having to like chop it up and peel it and all that other fun stuff, so that is what I buy. Alright, so we need a 1/4 cup of this balsamic vinaigrette. So there's 1. That is done. And 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Oh, Look at how it's like mixed and not so mixed. That's pretty crazy. Alright, so we're just gonna put down sugar. So I need 3 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to, like I said, I'm just going to use this. I'm not going to get extra cloves. So I am probably totally butchering this, but I'm trying. I'm just going to kind of like guess it. I think that's good. Do the same thing with the rosemary. Just gonna guess it. Hope it's good. So we're throwing some salt. Pepper. I'm not sure if I'm missing something. I don't quite understand why it said to do the large bag. I mean, was I using that much? It says to marinate at least 20 minutes. So I'm going to wash my chicken right now. And put the chicken in the bowl. And let it marinate. So I'm gonna put the chicken in here so that way all 3 pieces get a good amount of marinade. This looks so good. Can't wait to eat it. It smells really good too. There's our corn.